Hello, Oscar members. This tutorial will show you how to register online for our virtual class courses. Please note that you are required to have a valid credit card linked to your membership account before you can take advantage of registering for classes. Start by going to OsceolaRealtors.org. Scroll over the Education tab on the homepage. Find the Upcoming Classes section on the left side of the page and select it. Look through the class selection page and find the virtual class you're interested in. On the class page, select the virtual registration icon. This will take you to the class registration page. Read and confirm the details of the selected class until you reach the bottom of the page. Fill out the request form at the bottom of the page with email, membership number, and license number. Once you have filled out all the necessary personal information, select the Register icon. Please note, by selecting the Register icon, you are agreeing to our no-show policy. After clicking Register, you can scroll to the bottom of the page again to confirm your registration request. Please note that filling out this request form is only a pending pre-approval for your class. After you submit a registration request, check your email box, junk mail, or spam to see the status of your request. Please note, notification is not immediate. However, our staff will review your request and a notification from Zoom will be sent to you. If you have any questions or issues with virtual class registration, please email our education department at education@Osceola-Realtors.com or call us at 407-846-0117.